Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export video from Shotcut. So it's actually really simple. When you have your video edited, everything done, all the effects on the video, then you will need to go here to Export tab. So click on that, and now in order to export it correctly, you will need to choose correct codec and basically export preset. So choose what fits best for you. You can choose one of these lossless. Basically you don't lose really any data when you choose H.264. I would really recommend this one. This is most widely used, and definitely check out this default, because this stock default will basically drastically change and reduce your file size without actually affecting quality that much. So this one is really good, but for this case we will choose the lossless one for H.264, and then basically click on export file, choose where you want your file to be exported, name it, so new balloon, and click on save. Now here you can see the percentage of your export. So when it is 100, your video is exported, so you can check in your Finder, go over here, find new balloon video when it is done. So as you can see, it is done exporting, and I will search for this new balloon video, and I don't know if I can see it. So where it is? Oh, here I can see. So as you can see, it is 69 megabytes, and the old balloon is all megabytes. So this is absolutely lossless. All the quality will be kept. And as you can see, when I play, this video is basically exported. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.